Hey guys, Thomas Dallin here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I want to walk you through a boat that we just took in on brokerage. This is a 2024 Sea Ray 210 SPX. Beautiful boat, sold new at the boat show a couple years ago. Unfortunately, the owner's plans have changed and they are selling this boat. This boat has the black hull side color with the white bottom. Has the black rub rail with the stainless insert. Comes with this tandem axle painted trailer. Boat's in immaculate shape. Always been a freshwater boat. It's powered with the Mercruiser 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower engine. Stainless steel prop. Taking a look at the swim deck, you'll see you've got sea decking. You'll see it's got the submersible swim platform. Nice stainless telescoping ladder. Let's climb aboard and take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard. We'll take a look at the bow. You'll see speakers, grab bars on each side, plenty of storage underneath these seats. Nice anchor locker up front. Sea decking complements the whole deck throughout this boat. Nice walk-through transom or walk-through bow window. You've got the flip seating. Nice cockpit, storage under all your seats. Guys, this boat is fully loaded out. It's got the Simrad. Again, only 20 hours and 24 minutes. Does have the premium sound system with your subwoofer and all your speakers. It's a great opportunity to get in a like-new boat at a used boat price. For more information, please give us a call. Stop by the Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you and have a great day.